1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Get added points?
Sure, why not? Alright guys, I appreciate y'all coming and helping me out with this. The main purpose of this speech is to explain why Subarus hold such high residual value. Please, put your pants on. Alright, basically according to Kelly Blue Book's 2013 resale value guide, Subaru placed second place over Scion being first place, but Subaru placed second place with 80.7% residual resale value over the original manufacturer's suggested retail price, which is pretty good, you know. Today we're going to discuss a brief history of Subaru and then the technology that follows Subaru to give a better understanding of why they hold their value so well. Subaru is actually the 26th largest vehicle manufacturer in the in the world actually. It's a division of Fuji Heavy Industry. Originally, Subaru started out doing airplane manufacturing back in 1915. During World War II, they were actually the main manufacturer for the Japanese military as far as aircrafts. Now, after the war, between 1953 to 1956, they actually restructured and became the Subaru that we know today. In 1968, Subaru of America was established in Philadelphia, along with the introduction of the Subaru 1000, Subaru 1500, which was also the introduction of the Boxer motor. Subaru has actually achieved lots of industry firsts, such as it's actually the first U.S. manufacturer to receive zero landfill designation. And our history alone is not what makes Subaru hold its value. It's the technology, and that's what I'm basically going to briefly go over here. We'll start with the symmetrical all-wheel drive on the Forester here, which is actually, compared to other all-wheel drive systems, it's pretty well designed. You know, most manufacturers actually take a two-wheel drive system, add components, which gives you more chance for failure. Subaru's driveline has less components and therefore more reliable. And now, the Boxer engine, if you compare that to a V6, V8, it's definitely more reliable. A Boxer engine, horizontally opposed pistons cause less wear and tear on the engine's internals because of lack of vibration from the design of the engine. Now, Subaru also has numerous safety features that they've developed over the years. You got the brake override system, SRS, the airbags, e-airbags, so on and so on. And it's not just the technology that makes Subarus great and hold their value, it's the lifestyle that comes with it too. It can be a vehicle for everyday use for the safety-conscious driver, or it can also be for the person who wants to go off the beaten path, maybe go camping with their family. I mean, a perfect example would be the Forester here. You got 8.7 inches of ground clearance along with the all-wheel drive system. So if you want to go camping with your family, friends, whatever, you can definitely get off the beaten path and get where you're trying to go. And we've briefly gone over the history of Subaru along with the different technology features that come along with it. And Subaru might not be the vehicle for every family or individual, but its uniqueness and drive for improvement is what sets Subaru aside from its competitors. It's easy to look at a car and wonder why it's worth what it is, but when you peel back the layers on a Subaru, you start to understand the technology better. You can see where the value comes from and why this vehicle is capable of holding 80.7% of its original value when it comes time to trade it in. And I appreciate everybody's time, and go Subaru. All right.
Woohoo!